How to loop a video on iPhone for Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back. This is a video tutorial on how to loop a video on iPhone for Instagram. For this video, let me first show you the built-in feature of Instagram to post loop videos, and that is actually what we call boomerang. So, to post a boomerang, all you have to do is tap your story and then tap on camera and then tap on boomerang on the left side of the screen. And then you should see the boomerang action at the bottom of the page. All you have to do is tap on that and then take your video. As you can see, the video goes back and forth in loop. And the only thing is that this feature is only applied, or this is only available for when you actually use the boomerang camera. If you want to post a video on your iPhone in loop for Instagram, we're going to have to use a third party application for that. So, in order for us to do that, we have to go back to our home screen and go to Splice. Splice is an application you can download from the App Store. So, just go to the App Store and download this same one with the S icon and tap on this to open it, and then tap on New Project at the bottom of the page. So just wait for your camera roll to load and then select the video you'd like to loop. So as for me, I'm gonna make use of this video here. This one is only 1 second. So if you post that on Instagram and it's not in loop, it's literally just gonna disappear very quickly. So it'll be nicer if it is in loop. And to do that, just tap on it, tap on next at the right top corner of the page, and then just tap on Instagram story or Instagram reels or posts. It depends on what size you want. But I'm just going to use Instagram story and then tap on create at the right top corner. So you don't need to subscribe to Splice Pro in order for you to do this. So just tap on the X icon at the right top corner and then wait for you to edit the video. Okay, so we are right here. And all you have to do next is basically just add the same media. So tap on media and then tap on the same video you added. And it depends how long you'd like it to play. So I'm just gonna tap another, maybe 4 of this or around 5. So it's a 5 second long video. But take a look at this. If I play it, it's not that quick anymore. And yeah, I think it's about 3 seconds long. That's right. So let's do one more. And just, yeah, take a look at how better it is now. So make sure as well it is muted. If you want to mute it, just tap on this mute button here. But once you're done editing, all you have to do next is tap on export and then tap on export video down here. So it should be saved to your camera roll, and it should now be ready to be posted on your story or as a reel. So we can now go back to our Instagram and basically go to our camera roll, story or reel, up to you. And this is now our looped video, from a 1 second video to a 4 second video. And it's ready to be posted. You can just edit some more, add a text or whatnot. It's all up to you. But that's how easy it is to loop a video on iPhone for Instagram. If you found this video helpful, feel free to let us know in the comments below, like this video, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.